This is my Phantom wallet. This is how much I made by launching Memecoins on Solana. Just keep watching because I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how to do it just like me. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. I used to be a trader, just like you. I used to search day in, day out, looking at charts, looking on Deck Screener, trying to find the coin that might make me a quick buck. But the problem is, I'm playing the wrong game, and you're playing the wrong game too. Look at this. Every single chart more or less looks the same. We've got some high points, and then we get the rug pull. I could pick any one of these charts here, any coin. Let's see. I'm just scrolling here. Let's pick any one of these coins. It really doesn't matter. I'll pick this one. Okay, look at this. Same story, okay? We have a few highs, and then eventually it all comes crashing down. And the reason for that is because that's the design. That's how it's meant to happen. Okay, the creators, the developers, they're the ones that choose when the rug pull happens. Look at this one here. Okay, as a trader, I would want to be on one of these two peaks here. This peak here, ideally, or even this peak here. This is when I'd want to trade. But if I were the creator, wouldn't matter where the peak is. I could make money regardless of where in the chart we are. Okay, this is the platform that we are going to use. This is createcoin.fun. All right, this is how I've been making all this money, and I'm going to show you the entire process. Okay, it's just very simple. Just follow along with me. Okay, but before we get into that, I need to show you something. All right, so first of all, let's go back to Deck Screener. Let's have a look on Solana and let's go on Pump. Okay, look at all these coins. There's so many of them. All right, and we have not the greatest in terms of market caps, to be honest. They're all being squeezed. They don't have as much potential. However, we go to Meteora, look at these caps, okay? Look at them. They are much higher, 5 times, 10 times higher in some cases. There are so many good caps here. Look at these numbers. The stats are just so much better on Meteora, and that is the platform that we're going to be using to put our coin once we've created one. All right, so again, let's just look for comparison. Look at these market caps, okay? On average, they're not looking as good. At most, you've got 1.2, 1.9 million, something like that, okay? Now, back to createcoin.fun. Okay, the first step we're going to do is connect the Phantom wallet. It's as easy as pushing this button here where it says connect wallet. Okay, we're going to use Phantom and boom, we're connected. There we go. Simple as that. Okay, now here we have $118 in the Phantom wallet currently. That's what we're starting with. Now, at this point, you could create your own coin from scratch. Okay, so I could just type in, let's put an Elon here, and then let's just put Elon in our token symbol. Why not? However, this takes a long time. What we're going to do instead is push this button, which is the copy trending button. This is where all the marketing has been done for you. So as you can see loads of trending coins right here. And these are the ones that we can use to just catch the hype train while it's still running. Okay, so I'm going to refresh a few times and then I'm going to see what coins come up. I can pick any one that interests me. These are all good options. Look at this, end of the world coin. I could pick that one. Why not? This would be the one I'll choose. I can click copy coin. Now, what is going to happen when you have that button pressed is you will get a pop-up like this. This is a normal part of the process. Just click proceed. Okay, then you get another one, click confirm. Then you have to tick a box and then you click confirm again. Okay, and that is what will copy our coin. There we go. So our coin is copied. So let's go on SolScan. There is our coin. Okay, it is real. All right, it is on market, is ready to go. Okay, so all we need to do is create our liquidity pool. Now, this is where you need to put a bit of your soul behind the coin just to get it going. I normally use 0.2. That's normally what I use. You can use 0.3, you can go higher. It's entirely up to you. This is the only value you need to worry about. Then we simply click this button, create our pool. And again, we get our pop-ups, but that's fine. We process these through as we've done before. Click the box, click confirm. That's all good. All right, and just like that, our pool has been created. Okay, so now we refresh here a couple of times. As you can see, we have had a purchase already, probably a bot by the looks of things. But the key thing we're going to do now is we're going to click the boost. Okay, we're going to boost on Deck Screener. So what this does is it kicks us up the priority list. So more people are going to see our coin. This costs 0.25 Sol. Okay, we are going to put that money in because I'm promising you, we are going to get that money back. So don't worry about the 0.25 Sol, you will get it back and then some, okay? So again, we just confirm like any other Solana purchase. There we go, all right? And then we are boosted, okay? So again, we can have a quick refresh, see if we get any purchases. Not quite yet. I'm going to have a look on Deck Screener, and then what we're going to do is we're going to leave this running for a bit, and then we're going to see how many purchases we get before we decide to pull the rug on everybody. Okay, look, here we are on Deck Screener. We're going to leave this for a moment, and we will see what happens. Okay, I'm going to leave this 5-10 minutes. You could leave it a day. It's up to you. Okay, now I've been leaving this here just for a few moments, and already we have got a bunch of purchases. Okay, so I think we're in a good position. We can start looking at doing that rug pull. So again, look at that Sol there, the pooled Sol, 2.3. We only put in 0.2. Okay, now to pull the liquidity, okay, it is as easy as just pushing a couple of buttons. Okay, so you see this negative button here, we push that, hit 100%, remove the liquidity, and then you just confirm the transaction on your Phantom wallet, and it's done. It's a money printer, okay? In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give away half the processes that this video made to a lucky winner who is going to get half of roughly $200. That's how much profit we have made. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Try it yourselves.